We got some good news and some bad news. Which would you like to hear first? I'm gonna say the good news first. So the good news is we hit our biggest day at 12.5K. It's a good feeling to have. Now the bad news is my ad account is disabled. Oh man, do I fucking... I'm so tired. It's like 1:15 in the morning. I'm so tired. Oh. Such a worst time, bro. Tomorrow's Thursday, the day before Black Friday. So the reason was I just wasn't prepared to scale to these numbers, and that's what it was. Basically, that's exactly what it was. When you keep getting failed payments because credit cards are maxed, Facebook takes that as like very sketchy. And then when you keep trying to add other payments that you cannot verify, it's just, fuck, man. So basically, let me tell you. So, hopefully someone who will experience this can learn from my failures. And so basically, I had 3 credit cards attached to the account to pay. All 3 got maxed out. And it's stupid because I got a fucking platinum card. Let me pull this garbage fucking piece of shit. It's supposed to be unlimited. It's supposed to have no fucking credit card limit. But because I'm a new customer, blah, 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 there's a threshold. And every threshold that I reach, let's say it was like 5K, I would have to pay the credit card early. I didn't fucking know that. So I maxed it out. Then it got, the payment failed because I'm like, what the fuck? So I call Amex. They tell me because I'm a new customer, I need to pay the credit card early if I reach the threshold. So I pay it. But I don't have like a bank account attached to Amex. I'm with Canada shit. I'm with another bank account, and I just pay like these credit cards as like bills through my bank account, which take a few days to process. Son of a fuck. Okay, so I sent like almost 10 G's to the fucking credit card, and I said, okay, let me add 2 other credit cards that I have, on the side. So while the ads are running on the 2 other credit cards, hopefully this credit card gets the payment, and then it refreshes and we should be good to go. But no, this took days. It took fucking, I don't even know how long. It's already been like, I think 2 days. Nope, it still hasn't registered. 10 grand just up in the air right now. Hasn't registered. Great. The other cards got maxed out. So now I had to do the fucking thing that I was dreading the most. And I have to ask my dad for his credit card. And it's funny because I remember when I saw Rippy Club and Rippy, one of his case studies, he was talking about how he had to ask his dad for his credit card. And I'm like, hopefully I never come to that point. I'm like, hopefully I prepare myself enough so I don't have to ask that. Unfortunately, it came to that time where I said, no, I have to ask. So I asked. I put his credit card. I have to verify the credit card. Okay, that's fine. But usually with a verification, they send like a code to your phone or blah, blah, blah. No, this verification was they send a $1 transaction, and at the end of the transaction name, it should have 4 numbers, and that's your code. So we get the transaction, but the transaction doesn't have 4 codes, 4 numbers. It just says Facebook. There's no numbers. Bro, what the? I'm like, bro, what? Why is Meta buzzing right now? I'm like, okay, added another credit card for my dad, blocked it because it said like unusual activity. So I'm like, fucking shit. Then I realized, as stupid as me, I could have connected my PayPal to the Facebook ad account, and what my PayPal would do, it would take straight away from my checkings account, which would solve all these issues. If I have my PayPal as the last option, I can keep spending money because I have the money in my checkings account. But by time I did that, I did so many unusual activities that my ad account just got banned. I think we reached 50K though. Or like 45K. I think we reached 50. Should I check? Does it really even matter at this point? 47.8. Now we're not gonna give up. We're obviously gonna get this up, back and running. It's just during Black Friday. I know people still buy after Black Friday. I know there's Christmas coming, and I know. It's just I hate that I have to just keep restarting. I have to have a new ad account now, right? I have to remake the campaigns, and I have to like repost them all, because when I got my first ad account banned, I had one ad that was performing the best, and then when I got this new agency account, another ad took over. So it's like, first of all, that clearly shows you the lesson that every ad account is different. That's why there's luck involved. That's why I like to say. But two, it's like I have to repost all these campaigns. I had like 10 plus campaigns running. I had 2 campaigns ready for tonight. My agency probably hates me. They're like, bro, why is this guy cannot pay his bills, bro? I can pay it, bro. What is happening? Anyways, we hit our biggest day, and there's always pros, and it's a lesson learned. Unfortunately, it had to be a nice, harsh lesson for me to, I guess, understand it in the future on Black Friday, but lesson learned. I can't wait for January. I need to register a business because I need to have a business bank account that's attached to these Amex cards, because this transferring money that will only register within fucking 5 days is absolutely ridiculous. I can't keep doing that. We live and learn. Oh, man. Anyways, how long is this video? Fuck. To be honest, I guess it's good problems to have. It's just really frustrating. I don't know why, I feel like this could have just been easily avoided If I just knew. I guess because look, it's my first time scaling to these numbers. I wasn't prepared. I was never knowledgeable. I didn't have like experience, so I didn't know. It could have just been easily avoided. And again, lesson learned. You learn through your mistakes and failures. We're gonna get this ad account, get another ad account up and running again. The finances are insane. But I need a finance team, bro. Anyways, yeah. Fuck Amex and their fucking platinum card. What a waste. Literally paid $800 for this card because it's supposed to have unlimited. Bro, if you're gonna threshold me at 5K, I could have got any other fucking card, bro. Like, that pisses me off. Like, why? I'm sure it is, but why wasn't I not aware of this? Why was this not told? Like, it literally says unlimited. Credit limit unlimited. I'm not a big finance guy, okay? I clearly don't have an MBA in finance. I dropped out of fucking school, okay? But, and I'm sure they don't teach us in school anyways. But it's just like, it literally reads like the benefits, unlimited credit. You should say though, hey though, you gotta warm it up though. You gotta, you know, like, I don't know, man. Fucking shit. What a waste, bro. $800. Could have just got any other fucking card with 5K limit. Fuck. Useless. Anyways, I'm done complaining. I learned my lesson. Learn from my lessons before you make these mistakes. It's the benefit of learning from other people's mistakes and the benefit of watching my channel. And yeah. See you at the fucking top.